This is Inside Indiana Business Radio on demand for Friday, January 30th, 2026. I'm Gary Dick. Evansville-based Parlor Donuts built its brand with layered donuts that feature a variety of toppings and icing, a formula that is hitting a national sweet spot. Earlier this month, Parlor opened its 100th franchise store in Huntington Beach, California. Chief Growth Officer Justin Riot joined the company in 2022 as a franchise partner when there were just 12 locations.
And yeah, it's grown exponentially. A lot of times it's just grabbing on to the bucking bronco, and you're just trying to tame the beast. That's just when you have that kind of rapid growth.
Parlor now has 18 locations in Indiana, stretching from its home in Evansville to Crown Point. Indiana University and Brown County will work together on community-identified projects tied to housing, quality of life, and economic development in the county. The partnership brings Brown County into IU's Sustaining Hoosier Communities initiative, a program that pairs IU Bloomington faculty and students with rural communities seeking support on locally driven projects. The Indiana Sports Corporation is looking for at least 30 businesses and organizations to provide 500 volunteers to participate in a community service day ahead of the NCAA men's basketball Final Four. The nonprofit will host the Jim Morris Day of Service March 24th with a focus on tidying up downtown Indy. From the state's #1 source for Indiana business news, you're listening to Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Thanks for listening to this IBJ Media podcast. You're probably going to remember this ad. Do you know why? Podcast advertising works. 85% of listeners recalled hearing an ad during a podcast, and 70% of podcast listeners have acted after hearing an ad. So whether you're looking to be heard across the entire IBJ Media Podcast Network, sponsor one of our shows, or just start with a 30-second ad, IBJ Media can help. Contact advertise at ibj.com to learn more.
A Louisville-based health services company is expanding across the river into southern Indiana with plans to bring dozens of new jobs to Jeffersonville.
Physician Care Coordination Consultants, also known as PC3 Health, plans to open a new office in Jeffersonville and hire up to 40 people by the end of 2029. Governor Mike Braun's office says the company will invest $1 million to establish a 13,000 square foot office in an existing building on Sprint Street. It will be PC3 Health's second office and its first in Indiana. Hiring is expected to begin in February. Positions will include physician advisors, case managers, data analysts, and administrative support staff. According to One Southern Indiana Chamber and Economic Development, the jobs will pay an average hourly wage of more than $56 an hour. In a statement, PC3 Health Managing Partner Dr. Karen Shaw said the expansion will help the company better support hospitals, navigating insurance approvals, utilization, and case management while creating well-paying jobs in the region. PC3 Health was founded in 2023 and currently employs 29 people. Abriana Herron, Inside Indiana Business Radio.
The University of St. Francis in Fort Wayne is restructuring its academic programs. The university says it involves reorganizing academic affairs into a system of pathways that integrate the liberal arts tradition and traditional academic programs with new workforce development offerings. DePaul University's longest-serving president has passed away. Dr. Bob Bottoms led DePaul for 22 years, a tenure that would transform the campus and diversify its student body. DePaul's 18th president, Bob Bottoms, was 81. This is Gary Dick for Inside Indiana Business Radio on Demand.